The student work permit gets impacted due to shift in dates of PPP colleges. How much capping has been done on temporary student visa? LMIA has been reduced to 6 months from the existing 1 year. So today's video is most important video for you because in today's video I will discuss about all recent major changes that has been announced by Canada. And with this announcement, there could be a possibility there would be more number of refusals happening, whether it is for the people who wanted to convert their temporary resident visa to a permanent residency or the students who are looking to get work permit in Canada. There is bad news as well as good news as well. Canada has announced three major big changes, or there are three major updates which are coming from Canada. It is basically the same way that was done in January 2024 and December 31st, 2023. So there are three major changes that have been announced by Canada recently, and there is a big update for the students who have taken admission in PPP colleges, which is actually a bad news for them. Secondly, there is a bad news for work visa applications as well. And thirdly, the temporary visa has been capped in the similar way in which the study visa was capped. There are so many changes that will be coming up in the near future as well. These changes will have a very big impact on students, and just to understand all these three major changes, please make sure that you watch the video till the end. But before that, please subscribe to my channel, because on this channel I keep on sharing all such important updates from time to time. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Pawan Speaks Canada. I hope everybody is doing. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. And now let's talk about the first major update or the changes about the PPP colleges. So PPP college students, please pay attention to this, as this is very important for you. So students of PPP colleges were given date of September 1st, 2024, that from this date, in case students start their program, they will not be given work permit post completion of study visa. But now they have changed the date, and the new date which was announced is May 15, 2024. That means post 15th May 2024, if you start your study in these PPP colleges, then you will not be eligible for work permit, which is also called as post study work permit, which you get post completing your studies. So please note, the new date is no more September 1st, 2024. It has been changed to May 15, 2024. The second update is regarding cap of temporary resident visa, which itself is a big update and is basically the same way previously which was done for student visa. So there is a capping done on temporary resident. So now you must be thinking who all comes under temporary resident. So in temporary resident, we have people from student visa, then we have work permit holders, we have spouse visa permit holders. So these are the major categories that comes under temporary visa. So now they have capped this as well. Let me share a breakup for you to have a better understanding. So 42% should be given to international students. So as per the breakup, whatever number we have for temporary resident, in that 42% will be for international students. 9% will be for temporary foreign worker. This includes all the people who come to Canada on work permit. So the quota are being given to them will be 9% only. 44% will be temporary worker, but they come under international mobility program. So now let me help you understand this a little more. 9% of those who come to Canada on LMIA, they are foreign workers who come to Canada because of their requirement on basis of their skill, which is actually niche in Canada. Let me talk a little about 44% which was given to international mobility program. So in international mobility program, we have programs like spouse visa. It falls under international mobility program. Student work permit also comes under international mobility program. So they have got the quota of 44%. So this is how they have done the division but the capping is been done, which is itself is a very big thing. I want to tell you one thing. In this category, visitor visa does not get included. So visitor visa and tourist visa does not come under this category, because on visitor visa people can stay up to 6 months and it does not come under this program. The third update is the most biggest update, and in case you want to apply for work permit of Canada and also interested in getting an LMIA, the LMIA has become very common in Canada. Everyone wants to apply for it, such as people who are on visitor visa. They want to apply. The students on work permit also takes LMIA, and also there are a lot of people in Canada who get their status changed from visitor visa, some from study visa, some from tourist visa. So they all take LMIA and they get the work permits to stay in Canada. There is a big decision which they have taken on LMIA on the validity of the same. So previously, up till April 30th, 2024, the LMIA which people were getting was for 1 year, but going forward, the validity of LMIA has been reduced to 6 months only. This was supposed to happen because post changes that has done in study visa, they have done changes on work visa. So next was LMIA for sure. So the important change has been announced, and now going ahead, eligibility for LMIA will not be 1 year, it will be only 6 months. So in case you want to apply for work permit, you will get 6 months LMIA and 6 months work permit only. So these were the three major big updates and changes which were announced by Canada recently. Let me quickly do a recap. So all the students for PPP colleges, please note to start the program before 15th of May 2024. Otherwise, you will not be eligible for work permit. The temporary visa has also been capped, so the capping has been done for the same. So now only limited number of temporary residents will now be able to apply for Canada visa. The biggest one is about the LMIA. The validity of LMIA has been reduced to 6 months from 1 year. So please share these changes to the maximum number of people, as it will have a major impact on everyone, whether it is a spouse visa or people holding work permit or people having study visa. It will impact everyone. So please share this video to maximum number of people. Thank you for watching Pawan Speaks Canada. See you soon in my next video. Thank you and all the best.